One of the real advantages of UltraBaseSystems is the structural stability of the panel. You know, we've always said we want to replace math with science. How do we create a structurally solid base underneath without having concrete or asphalt or heavily compacted stone? So a photograph that everybody loves that we did when we parked a fire truck on top of our panels a few years ago to show the strength. But we recently had some testing done at Labosport up in Montreal and had them test the PSF, the pounds per square foot rating of every one of our panels. And here's this little demonstration of what we achieved. Now, to understand something, the test that we just did was 80,000 plus pounds per square foot. That's an enormous amount of weight. This truck only weighs 7,000 pounds, so this is nothing, but it's really as close as we can get right now. But for 80,000 pounds per square foot, we had to achieve 60,000 pounds per square foot for a recent project we did for the United States military for a maintenance shed for one of our new floor panels. So you can see that we've built the design in to really withstand some extreme load. So I'm just going to kind of show you real fast just you know, what happens when you drive on top of one of our panels. There you have it. That's just driving a 7,000 pound car on top of all of our panels. They're meant to take load. That's what they're designed for. So if you want to get rid of the base work, you want to get rid of concrete and asphalt, this is a great solution.